Roblox gift card on your phone is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Roblox gift card on your phone. So currently, as you guys can see, I'm on Android, but it doesn't care if you are on iOS or at Android. So suppose if you've downloaded Roblox, it won't matter. In order to redeem it, you simply have to go to any of your browser, just because application does not allow you to redeem your gift code. So for that, I went to Google Chrome, but you can go to your Safari as well, and then you have to search for Roblox, and then you have to go to the website, which is roblox.com. There you have to tap on this option, which should be continue in browser. Afterwards, it will want you to log in. You just have to log in. After logging in, you will be at this page. Here you have to tap on these three lines, and then you have to tap on this gift cards. After tapping on gift cards, you will be at this page. Here you will easily be able to redeem a gift card by tapping on this button, which should be redeem a card. And there you have to enter your code and then tap on redeem in order to redeem your gift card. Hope you guys find this video helpful.